Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo. What is up, guys? America's Gamer here with another reaction. Today, guys, we're here with Vybz Kartel. Imagine. Vybz Kartel, Imagine. We know a lot of people don't know the song. A lot of people do. But for those who don't know, welcome. This is the first time you're going to hear it. So, this is from the Teacher's Back album, which came out in 2008. Bad album. May react a couple of songs after it before. Two more things. Me understand, so I have a lot of younger people listening to the channel, and I'm gonna try my best to clean up the bad words them, and when we get to it, because sometimes them I gonna get to it because I depends on what I listen to. If it get to it, me gonna try my best to it out. You understand? So I just wanna apologize to the younger fans them that's been listening and who have used headphone and thing. So sorry about that. I wouldn't put my kids through that, so sorry for putting your kids through that, alright? Next thing. Remember when me telling us that I have street vibes drum? Me see a couple comments in the comment section and say, yo, you know the street vibes drum? What you tell? Show me. Yeah, I do have it. From 2012, I think. Still seal. Never opened yet. Yeah, what that say? You can see that? You can't see it, right? Reflection. Oh yeah, street vibes drum. From them time till now. Never work, man. We still have it. Sorry to interrupt your video, guys. There again with some more promotions, guys. So if you need your videos or your songs to be on the platform, you can follow me on Instagram and send me a message in my DMs. Serious inquiries only, please, if you want prices and stuff like that. And you're serious about putting the music out there as a young artist and big artist, same way, you can do that same way by linking up, you see me? Jamaica _verse_gamer on Instagram, you see me? Also, guys, if you have any party you promote and you need promotional prices, also you can link me up for that, you see me? But yeah, let's get back to the video. So let's jump in on here with the G. Let's go. Let's go.
Yo, no clear. Steven. Suppose Earth did I run as a we see it as the new millennium youth, as the future. The teacher.
Keep watching.
Smoking without police provoking. Hennessy the thugs them are open.
So the boss tell us, yo, it I go get deeper and you have to go meds. What did GS say? And just imagine it. So I must say, yo, imagine smoking without police provoking. Them time the weed wasn't legal like it is now. This is 2008. So I must say, yo, imagine smoking without police provoking. Any city thugs them are open. Instead of bottle of water, any city G them are open because them can't afford it. Just like them could afford water then. Imagine.
Smoking without police provoking. Hennessy the thugs them are open. Drinking all of the garrison them linking. Sufferation disappear. Strictly big pinky.
Imagine all of the garrison them are link. All of the ghetto community them we are war against each other from decades. Imagine if everybody was linking. Nobody now get shot. Nobody now dead. Just imagine that.
Garrison them linking, sufferation disappear, strictly big pinky. Everybody bossy, European fashion mostly, political system.
Everybody bossy, everybody clean, European fashion, Italian brands. Yeah, European fashion mostly. Imagine.
Everybody bossy, European fashion mostly, political system sinking, House of Parliament, be Rasta ruling, computerize every level of public schooling.
Imagine when you look on a politician, them a be a Rasta you see. I defend black people. I defend them one. Imagine when you look at the House of Parliament, I be a Rasta you see. Highest green and gold flag a wave so. Imagine. It's going to be a different Jamaica.
Be a Rasta ruling, computerize every level of public schooling.
Computerize every level of public schooling. Not just the private school alone, the public school where your pitney and my pitney go. Imagine them education when them leave that.
Be a Rasta ruling, computerize every level of public schooling. Me free up every prisoner who not behave, get the black rain drizzle.
Free up every prisoner and start fresh again. Who not behave? Get the Black Rain Jizzler. Black Rain a fall bullet. Yeah. Who not behave dead? Agree?
Me free up every prisoner. Who not behave? Get the Black Rain Jizzler. Legalize herbs, cause you done a sell Rizzler. Well, we are one-stop gangs and...
I always think about that. Why them people say the Rizzler? If weed wasn't legalized them time, look how long we can get Rizzler for buy. Even grinder where you grind up the weed with. Look how long them think they legal for sell. Why weed takes so long to get legal? Right now in a certain country not legal, because even in the UK, it's not legal. So imagine them time the dog, imagine.
Me free up every prisoner. Who not behave? Get the Black Rain Jizzler. Legalize herbs, cause you done a sell Rizzler. Well, we are one-stop gangs and then demolish every boardhouse. Build them a mansion.
Demolish all gangs, everybody are one. But hear the part now. Demolish every boardhouse, knock down every boardhouse, and build everybody a mansion. What?
Ya one-stop gangs and then demolish every boardhouse, build them a mansion, smooth out ghetto road, ghetto people traveling on. Nah.
Smooth out every road, every ghetto road, every rural road, smooth out, nice, pretty road. Imagine that.
Build them a mansion, smooth out ghetto road, ghetto people traveling on. Not just the one to Clarendon. Every black man is the big man. No more guns and criminal. Each man bring in a gun, get 15 million US.
Each man bring in a gun, get 15 million US. Yo, me I got turn in farmer. Me I got turn in farmer. Jeffrey, pass me a gun. Don't get it wrong. I don't know no Jeffrey in officer. I don't know no Jeffrey. I'm just saying. I'm just using that name. Officer Dibble, give me a gun. Bring it in for you.
Some criminal. Each man bring in a gun, get 15 million US. 7 house on the hill, 4 SK, 4 Range Rover, 1,000 acres, minimal.
You see my things I get for bringing one gun, brother? 15 million US. Hesky, house on the hill. What? Yo!
Each man bring in a gun, get 15 million US. 7 house on the hill, 4 SK, 4 Range Rover, 1,000 acres, minimal.
We want a lot already. 1,000 acres, minimal. 4 Range Rover. 7 husky dog. The dog them, you know, the dog them look like a wolf. Them dog them attack. 15 million US. 7 hours on the
hill. 4 SK, 4 Range Rover, 1,000 acres, minimal. Subliminal pan TV. No bootleg around here by the artist them CD.
No bootleg. No bootleg. That's by the artist them CD, yo. Support the artist them. Imagine.
Pan TV. No bootleg around here by the artist them CD. No HIV, no VD, no gonorrhea, no syphilis, no STD. Yeah.
No sexual transmitted disease. Just imagine a real without that.
No VD, no gonorrhea, no syphilis, no STD. Yeah. Imagine money. Imagine power. Imagine respect. Imagine the teacher. Big life.
Big up Bunty when sample another one or two. Big up the killer.
Teacher.
If you know what I'm doing any killer throwback reaction, then let me know too. Tell me which song for killer.
Big life. Imagine success. Imagine freedom. Open up your mind, black people. Free for the ladies, free kiddies accessories for the babies.
Free for the ladies, free kiddies accessories for the babies, free nursery, free everything just for the youth them nourish, just for the youth them.
Free for the ladies, free kiddies accessories for the babies. $100 give you Honda, nanny for your Lexus, $1,000 give you a Mercedes.
$100 give you Honda. $100 give you Honda.
$1 give you Honda, nanny for your Lexus, $1,000 give you a Mercedes. No mad disease for the cow, no packs for the chicken. The wormless dogs without rabies. School fee extinct like in the 80s. Free school bag and book fee turn pages.
School fee extinct. No school can ask for no school fee. When I get school bag plus school book for turn pages. Come on, man, imagine.
Extinct like in the 80s. Free school bag and book fi turn pages. Minimum wages 10,000 US a week. That a
minimum wages 10,000 US a week. 10,000 US a week. Minimum wage, you know, dog.
fi turn pages. Minimum wages 10,000 US a week. That a fi the man way just a sweep the street.
That for the man that just has to sweep the street. That little janitor work out there, so 10,000 US minimum.
It's 10,000 US a week. That a fi the man way just a sweep the street. Help a gardener, man we mix concrete like Jerital. Everybody life complete. Before me forget, I would ban the sale of cigarette.
You know what I'm saying? Before me forget, I would have banned the sale of cigarette. No more cancer stick. No, no, no.
Before me forget, I would ban the sale of cigarette. Every fisherman get a Rolls Royce boat and a Bimanet.
Hey! Every fisherman get a Rolls Royce boat and a Bimanet. Imagine.
Sale of cigarette. Every fisherman get a Rolls Royce boat and a Bimanet. How considerate? Zero tolerance for your rapist. If you murder, you get murder. Jamaica food selling in a every fast food store instead of dirty burger.
Murder, you get murder. If you murder, you get murder. I literally. Jamaica food selling in a every fast food across the world. So Kentucky, you're going to Jamaica food are selling night. Burger King, same thing. McDonald's, same thing. You name it, the same thing. A Jamaican food only.
Jamaica food selling in a every fast food store instead of dirty burger. Fi further money fi third world. Yeah. Sound system fi play louder. Dancehall music or something fi we prouder. Imagine free health care fi the sickly. Prison fi a man when no mind him pick me.
Free health care free health care for the sickly. So you know, say if you go up to hospital, you don't have to pay no bills. I don't have to worry about public. You can go any private hospital and get good treatment with no cost. Plus medication, free of cost. Yeah. Prison for your man when no mind him, baby.
Free health care for the sickly. Prison for your man when no mind him pick me. Reggae music fi run the world strictly. Chris Kelly, Tommy Chin fi bigger than Britney.
Chris Kelly and Tommy Chin fi bigger than Britney Spears. Not them time that Britney Spears had 2008. Britney Spears are running the whole place. Imagine reggae music around the whole world.
Music fi run the world strictly. Chris Kelly, Tommy Chin fi bigger than Britney. Daniela Lane them fi bigger than Whitney. Yeah, believe it or not, like Ripley. What teacher say?
Imagine.
Try out.
Imagine.
Glory.
Imagine.
Victory.
Imagine.
The teacher. New world. Timely.
And from 2008 till now, the only thing with them free up are the weed. And the weed alone free up. Nothing else. No, fisherman have no Rolls Royce boat and no Bimanet. None of that now go on. No, sir. So yeah, that was Kartel, Vybz Kartel, Imagine, and the Teacher's Back album from 2008. So look what the mind space there from them time, the dog. Just look. You see me? Yeah. Just make me know which throwback. Sometimes I soon put some song in the comment section because I see the comments there, you know. Sometimes when I put some song in the comment section, I say, yo, this too early. Like, we want at least 8, 9, 10 years back. Them, like, that's the limit. 8 years and older. Yeah, that's how we're there right now. You see me? So, yeah. Big up the teachers always. Big up the people them. And like I said, I'm going to try my best to keep it clean. If one jump out, I'm going to try to edit it out or something like that. You understand? So, big up on yourself. And big up the street vibes. Imagine. Me pull the street vibes, yeah. Throw it in a one glass and me taste it. Imagine, me get rich after. You know why? Me don't know why. Yo, later.
Jamaica's worst gamer.